All right, besties. How much product she need? Oh my gosh. Oh, that's just a lot of product. Oh my goodness. Okay, I need my besties to tell me why she got to use so much product. I'm new on this makeup journey, but I've never seen anybody use that much product. I seen the inspo picture, but oh. So does she need to be really pale? Okay, so it's not coming off. But now we're about to put color back in our face when we probably just shouldn't have used so much product in the first place. Come on, besties. I need y'all. I need y'all thoughts on this. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you're thinking. Now I like how she just did the bottom eyelashes. But I'm pretty sure we could have got her a different way. That's just so much to clog the pores. Okay. So what is this look called? Let me know in the comments section what we call this look. Because I'm learning. Okay. So she wanted to be an anime character.